Alright guys, so welcome back to Viperrtrades, and today I'm going to be giving you a quick Bitcoin update. So just going back to where we discussed before about this range here. As you can see, we are still trading within this range, so nothing has changed. I wouldn't call it a bull market or a bear market until we break one way. So until we do something like this, which will signify a bullish uptrend, or something like this, which will signify a bearish downtrend. I do feel like we'll just be stuck in this range for time to come. And it's also a thing where if you look closely, as I discussed before, let me just minimize this a bit. Yeah, if you do look closely, we do have a resistance here as well, diagonal resistance here. You could do something like that. Just do something like that, and you could just do something like this as well. So yeah, there's nothing too much going on so far. Just stuck in this range. As you can see, we rejected off mid-range, which is confluent with the yearly open. So this is something I missed out on when I was analyzing it last time. Because we closed above the yearly open, I did expect a bit more upside to around 48 to 50k before a rejection to the 40s where we are now. However, if you do look at this range here, we failed to close above the mid-range. So as you can see, failed to close above, and we get the rejection to the downside. However, I do feel like we're sitting on some support now. So if I do zoom into the daily chart now, let me just zoom out so you can see. Yeah, you can see here straight away we are sitting on support. We are sitting on support here, and although we have a few wicks below, we wicked here, small wick here, small one here too, we have failed to close below this support line here. So therefore I do feel like people that were trying to short today around 40k, 39.4 to 39k, they would have been wrong about this idea. And I know a lot of you trade with order blocks, fair value gaps, etc, but it's also key to just know where your support and resistances are, rather than solely relying on order blocks, fair value gaps, and equal highs and equal lows, because these support and resistances, they do have significance as well. Although they may not work all the time, it's always just good to use them in confluence. And if you're looking to short at 40k, this would have been your sign to tell you not to short at 40k, because we were sitting on support and we're also trading in the 3-day demand as well. So you have additional confluence there, which should tell you why you shouldn't be shorting at 40k. And I know a lot of people are looking to short at 40k all the way down to 37k, but with support, with us trading in 3-day demand, there is absolutely no reason why you should be shorting right now. There's absolutely no reason to be shorting this move here. So if you go down to the 4-hour now, you can see we have the reaction of the 3-day demand. There's a very nice reaction there, very nice reaction. And let me just zoom in so you can see what we have here. You can see what we're working with here. So we've created a nice 4-hour point of interest. Yeah, as you can see, we got the market structure break here to the upside with the candle close above as well. So that's a bonus there. I know some of you like to use wicks for your market structure breaks, but I always just like to use the candle body for additional confirmation. I do feel like wicks are insignificant, because if you see here, wick below, trade back up. So yeah, I don't really like to use wicks for confirmation. I prefer to use candle body closes. So what we're looking for now is for the Monday mid-range to hold a support, which it has now. Otherwise, I do believe if you come back into this 4-hour demand right here, Yeah, you can look for longs into this 4-hour fair value gap, or this 4-hour point of interest here at around 42k, and that is what I'm watching for right now. For longs into here, longs from here into this 4-hour point of interest. And the thing with this 4-hour point of interest is that it lines up well with the 0.702 fib. So if you're looking to short, I do believe your best bet is around 42k. However, you'd want to wait for something like this, something like that, then you look to short it down. So yeah, you create some kind of so you take out this, you take this out here, you got your market structure break to the downside, and yeah, you're just looking for any supply on the lower time frame to go short, and yeah, you line it up like this, something like this. See into here, you can just target the downside here like this. So if you do trade into this area, I'm not looking to immediately short. I'll just be waiting for reactions, breaks to the downside before I do look to short Bitcoin. I'm not going to rush into any shorts right now, and same goes for the longs here. I'm not looking to rush into any longs right now. So if you do come into it, more reactions, break, and something like that. So yeah, that's what I'm looking for as well. So you take out, my bad. So yeah, you just take out this low, market structure break to the upside, and any demand that forms in the lower time frame, that's where you'll be looking to long. So you'll be looking to long it back into this 4-hour fair value gap, and also into the 4-hour point of interest. But right now, if I remember off the top of my head, XPX was sitting on support last night. So I know some people were looking to short last night. However, if XPX sitting on support, it did tell me that I should just wait it out today and see how price action develops. And right now I'm still in the near longs. If you do remember from my previous video, but that's about it really. So yeah, we're just gonna see how price develops over the next few hours. I'm not really hurrying into any position right now at all. Not at all. I don't think it's worth rushing into any position, especially with us trading here. It's not really much you can do until we get some low time frame price to develop. But of course, with time being tight right now, I don't trade the lowest time frames too tough right now, like the 5-minute and the 15-minute and the 20-minute, like some people do. I don't really have time for that with studies and everything. But yeah, this is the idea for Bitcoin right now. And say we flip this, we've also got a point of interest here as well, 42.6k. That's another area I'll be watching out for. But right now, do you feel like longs are your best bet? Do you find some good altcoin setups? Near protocol came back to entry for those that paid attention, so that would have been a nice long right there. I'm also looking at Rune, also looking at Luna for longs as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it really. But for now, range market, not looking to short this. We've tapped into the 3-day demand, got a very nice move. So right now, what we'll be looking for, we've also got this 3-day fair value gap here as well. So that's something to keep an eye out for. So let's say we flip this, flip that, flip 43k, can look for longs into this 3-day fair value gap. That should provide a nice target. But yeah, not really looking to short anything right now really. And we've also got the yearly open, which will come as a nice target too. But yeah, we got some resistance here alongside the yearly open. So if anything we flip 43k, yeah, I'm just looking at 44k and 46k as the next targets. But you don't have to rush into anything right now. Just let the market develop, let it play out how it wants to play out, and just, in my opinion, focus on some good altcoin setups. Near has been very nice to trade. Luna is one to look out for. Rune as well. Has a nice Monday range. So yeah, just keep an eye out for these altcoins. Some of them should provide some nice gains. So Rune, you can see tagged on Monday mid range now. It didn't really come down. It didn't really come down for me. So I was looking for it to do something like this, come down for me, but hasn't really come down. So let's see how this develops over the next few hours. Luna, I'm still yet to go through. So let's go on a 4 hour for Luna. You've got a nice point of interest here as well. So let's see how this develops over the next few hours as well. And Near Protocol, yeah, I mean, you can't really say much about this chart. A really bullish chart, really bullish chart. So yeah, let's see how we react around the Monday highs. But for this one, hopefully we can test this $17. But if we go here, what happened yesterday? If you go here, this was an hourly fair value gap. Yeah, rejected of that, came back down and back up. But I'll give an update on Near Protocol in a bit, maybe tonight or maybe tomorrow, and I'll tell you guys what I'm looking for now with Near Protocol. However, Bitcoin, I'm not looking to short this. If anything, drop in the comments below. Any coins you want me to go through, drop in the comments below. Thank you for all this continuous support, and I'll catch you all in the next video.